Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I'm gonna talk about this video call screen off problem in your Realme smartphone. Whenever incoming video call comes or you just do, it will turn off your screen when you just put it on your ear or something else. If you are using WhatsApp or your normal call video call, so somehow it is showing like it will show blank screen or turn off your screen where you have to just open again and again. So it is a glitch or a setting. You can see it on the app management, and here you have to type, just click on this app management, search over here WhatsApp. I have not the WhatsApp, so you can just click on phone call application. So right here phone, it is not showing here, so you have to enable this show system application. Then you have to write here phone, this phone app and phone services. You have to just clear cache and clear data. So if it is a glitch or something else, so it will not do again and again. So you can just clear this also, this phone services, and similarly you have to do this with the WhatsApp or the app you are using. Just clear the data, clear all data. I will show, here it is showing, just go to the application. Here it will show the storage usage. Here it is clear data. After doing that, the default setting will be applied, so your problem will be solved. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.